Do you want to install the paneling like that in your kitchen and you don't know how to? I'm going to teach you step by step how you can do it. Before we start with the procedure, so that way you can understand and you're going to be prepared for this project. So if you go to Amazon, you're going to type this brick paneling or something similar, whatever you want to install. So, and you have these, sometimes you're going to find kind of stickers. I mean, if you like stickers, if you want something, small, something that you can install yourself, that you don't need any helper or anything like that, yeah, you can grab these small panels and stick them, one next to the other one and see how it goes. Otherwise, you can buy the big panels. I prefer the big panels. I'm going to show you here, for instance. In Home Depot, they have it here for is 48 inches for 96 inches. What I recommend, if you want something like that, you see, I mean, it looks very nice. I mean, if you want to do this in your house. The thing is, I recommend you to have 2 people, so that way it will be easier to handle and you will avoid, break them up or something like that, or getting damage when you're carrying them from Home Depot to your house. So also it will be easier because you install one, and it's one big piece. You don't have to install many small pieces. So as you can see, this is one option. Otherwise, I'm going to try to leave in the video description. If you want something like that, you want me to ship it to you, I can try to do that. Just contact me and I'll do my best. Here, as you can see, here you have another option. The guy, you will see, here's using the glue that comes with it. So I'll show you. I think it was in one place. I saw this guy was, peeling the paper, and he was gluing this on the wall. So you can do that if you try. This is not the case. This is not the video I'm going to show you this, but if you want to try to do something like that, you have many options. See which one you like the most. So here is the option that I was talking about. Here you have the paper, you peel it off, and that's it. And you, with a scissor, you can do that. In this case, you have to use a circular saw. So this is what I'm using. So if you want to buy something like that, make sure that you have something with little teeth, so that way the cuts are going to be, more precise. And otherwise, you can use a jigsaw. If you have a jigsaw, you can use maybe a blade that is for metal. Usually the teeth are going to be way more smaller. And then after that, at least in this case, I'm using this super glue, the Gorilla Glue. So this here is a silicone, but I'm using the glue. So if you want, you can buy it here. Here, this is I found it here. So it says Gorilla Heavy Duty Ultimate Constructions adhesive. So this is what I'm using, and it works fine. After that, you can use the finishing nail gun, and that's it. With a small head, that should do the trick. So basically it's very simple. Just take the measurements and that's it. And one more trick that I'm going to show you that it will help you if you have to go around the curves and something like that. For instance, this is the other tool that I want to share with you. So if you can buy this will help you a lot, because if you, let's say that you have a column here, or you have like a weird shape, and you can use this will help you a lot. Otherwise, you have to take a lot of measurements, trial and error. So if you can avoid that, that would be great. Like I said before, if you need any tool like this, just let me know. Or if you need the paneling, if you're outside of the United States, I can send those things to you. And let's continue with the practice, so that way you know how everything is going to look like. We're going to put the glue here on the paneling, and we're going to put the bricks style over there, and everything will look great. After that, we're going to put the finishing nail, and that's it. As you can see, everything is looking great. Now we have to put some more nails, and we will be good. Okay? We're putting up the finishing nails, and we should be good a little bit. So that is how it looks like. So we have to copy the shape of the window, so that way we can put the last piece back. We should be good. I'm putting the nails now. We should be good. That's it. So as you can see, we have the bottom part is done. This part is done as well over there. So the bottom we have it as well. So now we have to put the corner, the trim. We should be good. So we're putting glue on this corner and few nails, and we should be good. Now we are putting some nails, so it will be okay. We're going to put some nails over there. We are good. We're going to cut here, this one. This is round. We're going to put it on the top. We're putting glue, so the way we're going to hold the trim. There we go. Now we're going to put the corner on that side to make it look better. Now we're going to cut the little one. We are going to be good.